Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, December the 31st, last day of the year. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open between 9 and 3 Eastern time, of course, Monday to Friday. Of course, the market is closed tomorrow for New Year's Day. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 25% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. And one of the nice things is that if, let's just say you take out a standard monthly just to try us out, you take that 25% discount, again, only for the first month. But if you decide you want to upgrade within 30 days, you can say upgrade from a monthly to a yearly or say from a standard to a premium. You can do so and we'll honor that 25% promo code. So as predicted, a pretty quiet day, though we had some nice little trades from my watch list. And let me just show you. Let me see if I can sneak this in here without, just give me a second here. Move this over a little bit. There we go. So here's Brokerage Plus. So these are the ones that were auto-traded on the entry, okay? And there's ONSI. You can see ONSI. I guess I actually have to show it on the watch list. Here are the ones actually from the watch list. Now, I didn't auto-trade these last two. I turned the auto-trading off. The Vero would have been okay, but I turned it off for Vero. These are the ones that were actually auto-traded, the first 5, and then I turned it off. But if you look at ONSI, there was the alert at 5:01. It hit a high of 6 almost. In fact, yes. Fuel cell, there's one I was actually in, 226. Very surprised. I've always had a negative bias with this one. If you've been in the room a long time, you know fuel cell, Ballard, and Plug used to always kind of trade in the Troika. And anyway, this has had just a tremendous run. No question about it. I think 4 days ago it was under $1. So anyway, this one, let's see, the alert was at 228 and it looked like, it got up to 275. The SBPH, this one, another one, I got in at 141. I did trade this one also. I'm not in these anymore. I'm all out of these, but hit a high of 164. This got really beaten up. This one I did not take. Had a little pop up to 294 from 287, and as I say, I didn't take this one either, and I got out almost immediately because I didn't want to do any more auto trading on the entries. But worked out quite well on a day. Look, I mean, you know, $211 up. What that's telling you is that risking $100 a trade and getting out when I did on all of these, I'd be up $211 on these trades right here, and that's risking $100 a trade, okay? So not bad. I mean, you know, on a day in which you probably didn't think a lot was going to happen. So I will back this out. And back this out. Now, a word about Vero as an example. This could be interesting going forward. Look at it on the weekly chart. Has a ton of room, I believe. I'll have to look at it maybe on a monthly chart. There we go. Look at it on a monthly chart. Look at the potential room it's got. So this has had a great month. All right. It's a great month. So let's just see if this can continue. On the monthly chart, it has room to maybe that 460 level. And who knows, maybe beyond. So this is something I might swing. I have to see. Look at the volume that came in this month. You know, it's the biggest volume month of the year, and you go back to 2016. So definitely having a nice surge here. And then also looking at, what was the other one that, the fuel cell, just to see what it has done. Now it's hard to sell there. Take a look at it on, say, a daily chart might show it better. Well, yeah, I mean, look at the daily chart. So this is today. So 1, 2, 3 days ago, this was a stock that was still under $1, and it's just had it's had some news, but look at today. I mean, what a gap up today. So anyway, we'll have to see what happens. It still has some room. Let me get to the weekly chart. I mean, it does have room. There is where I think it could stall $3 for a while anyway. But if it takes $3 out, I mean, look, it still has a lot of room. Anyway, we'll have to see on this fuel cell energy, but it's had a tremendous 4 days, sub dollar all the way to 268. Okay, I just want to bring back this program here, the captures program. And okay, so this is the last day of the year, of course. So tomorrow the market is closed, and so everybody has a great New Year's Eve and a New Year's Day tomorrow. Say obviously the market is closed tomorrow, so I won't be. The room will not be open. But as I say, I hope everybody has a great New Year's Eve tonight, great New Year's Day tomorrow, and we will see you in the trading room in the year 2020. I love 2020. Sounds like a great year. So again, hope everybody has a great time, and we'll see you 9 o'clock Thursday morning. Bye bye.